In this video, I will show you how to publish your site to a GroovePages subdomain. So we're going to go ahead and assume that at this point you have already built a site or a page that you would like to publish. For this demonstration, I have created a simple two-page website. As you can see right here, we've got our homepage and we've got our About Us page. Both of these pages are built using our professionally pre-designed templates that are all available for everyone using the platform right now. So let's go ahead, and I'm going to quickly hook up this button right here to our second page so that when we publish this site, we can actually make sure that the second page is functioning properly as well. So I've selected the button right here, and I'm going to go into the functionality tab. We have a drop down here that is labeled link to, which allows you to basically link to a variety of objects in your site. So we're going to choose page, and then we're going to choose About Us. All right, that's all done. Now we're going to get to the publishing part. So we're going to click the little drop down arrow right here inside the publish button, and that will bring up our publish sidebar. If this is the first time you're publishing any sites or pages on your account, you want to start off by setting your GroovePages subdomain. And we can do so by clicking the Change GroovePages Subdomain button right here. You'll see this will bring up a modal window where you can choose your subdomain. I've already set this to demo. You're free to choose whatever you want here for your subdomain. If the subdomain is no longer available, meaning somebody else is already using it, or you're trying to use a word that is somehow prohibited in the application, we'll show you an error message below the input field, and you can choose a different subdomain. I'm just going to leave this as is. Now, this right here is the actual URL that your site or your page is going to be published on. So you can see right here we have the chosen subdomain, and then we have groovepages.com, right? So the second part right here we can set by choosing our site's name. So I'm just going to type in demo123 right here, and you'll see that the URL automatically updates. So this is where your actual site is going to be published on. So since this is part of the URL, you're not able to use non-standard characters in here, things like spaces or things like @ signs, and signs, things like that are not allowed in here. Now the final step right here is to select the checkbox here labeled Host Your Site with Us. And right now we're going to go ahead and click Publish to actually publish the site live. All right, so at this point the site is live. Right, and we can actually verify that by clicking the URL right here, which is now a clickable link. And we can see that our page is here. Now we hooked up the sign up button with our second page. So if I'm going to click this, it takes us to our second page, which is all looking good. All right, so once you have published your site or your page, if you continue working on it and you want to publish your updates to your live site, all you need to do is simply hit the publish button, and your changes will be made live.